Today, we're sizing up Google Fiber and AT&T Fiber, two leading fiber optic ISPs. Is one clearly better than the other? So Google Fiber is known for its ultra-fast symmetrical speeds, plans ranging from 1 gigabit per second at $70 up to 8 gigs at $150 per month, with consistent pricing, no hidden fees, and typically outstanding reliability. Reviews.org rates it as the best overall fiber provider. AT&T Fiber, on the other hand, also delivers speeds up to 5 gigs, boasting wider availability across the nation and features no contracts, no data caps, and no equipment fees. AT&T often runs attractive promotions. For example, new customers can score up to $150 prepaid Visa gift cards, or even up to $200 bonus, plus discounts when bundling with AT&T Wireless. As far as availability, Google Fiber is limited to select cities, 19 states, 28 areas, while AT&T is more nationwide. Price and value. Google's higher speeds deliver better value per gigabit. For example, 2 gigabits per second cost $100 with Google versus AT&T's roughly $150 for similar speeds. And as far as customer satisfaction, Google consistently ranks higher. And if Google Fiber is available in your country, I'd say you demand lightning fast, dependable internet with great value, I take it. It's the top pick. But if speed is not everything, which is to say, or you need service in a broader location, AT&T Fiber is your go-to. They're better for promotional perks as well and solid performance. Essentially, go Google if you can. Otherwise, AT&T is a reliable fallback.